Hello everybody, this is Kevin McCandless and you're watching a brief video tour of our course on Canvas. Regardless of which course of mine you're enrolled in, what you're going to see here will be very similar. So we'll begin on the left, which is the global navigation pane. At the top you have an account link which will take you to your settings where you can upload a profile picture and adjust your notification preferences and things like that. There's a dashboard button which will take you to a list of all your courses that are using Canvas each semester. There's also a list of upcoming assignments, I believe. The courses link will show you a list of all your courses, similar to the dashboard but without the upcoming assignments and things. The calendar link will take you to a calendar showing all the assignments for all your courses that are using Canvas for the semester. The inbox link will take you to the message center, which is very important because this is where you can send me direct messages as well as sending messages to other students in the course. And also important is this help feature at the bottom, which can take you to all the Canvas help guides where you can find help with anything you need regarding Canvas. So that is the global navigation pane. This next list, this is the course navigation pane. So this is how you can navigate within a specific course. There's a home page link to take you to the home page of the course. An announcements link, which will take you to a record of all the announcements that I'll be sending. A modules tab, which will take you to our content, including the orientation materials. So you'll be spending a lot of time under modules. There's a textbook link, which will take you to the textbook for our course, which is free online. A discussions link, which will take you to the available discussions, some of which are assigned and others which are optional and open all semester long, such as the general class question forum and the homework help forum. There's a grades link, which will take you to your grades, and that will always be current, and you could always go there throughout the semester to see your current status in the course. There's a people link, which will show you a list of all the students who are enrolled in the course. A Zoom link, which we can use to schedule a virtual office hour session, or if you want to schedule meetings with other students in class. The Zoom program is just a virtual meeting space. And then NetTutor, which is a free service provided to you by our school district. It's 24/7 online tutoring. So that is our course navigation pane. So thank you for watching. Hope that gives you a quick idea of what all these buttons do. I'm looking forward to working with you. Bye.